Hey, welcome back everybody. We're going to make our own case lube today. So, lanolin, alcohol, bottle, really simple, good stuff. Let's get started. Ingredient number 1, 99% isopropyl alcohol. Ingredient number 2, liquid lanolin. This stuff can be a little bit hard to find, so I'll leave a link below. I just got this on Amazon. It's really hard to find actually on the shelf in stores, so for whatever reason. The third thing, you're going to need a bottle. I have a glass bottle, you can use plastic, whatever. Now, I was running around the house trying to find something to measure this stuff out, and without getting in trouble with my wife, I couldn't find anything. So all I did, a friend of mine says, well, just mark the bottle. I thought, huh, okay, that makes sense. So I just marked the bottle. What this is 10 parts isopropyl alcohol, 99%, to 1 part lanolin. That's all you need. Let's mix it up. It's a good idea to warm this stuff up first. It's going to pour just a little bit easier for you. And this stuff comes out like honey. Next, the alcohol. Now, if you got a funnel, that's great, or you can just put something down and in case you spill just a little bit, like I just did. So it takes almost just, well, I might as well just drizzle the rest in there, it's not much. It doesn't have to be an exact science. I only used about a third of this bottle here of lanolin, so this is going to give me 3 containers full. Then all you got to do, put this on here and start shaking it up. When you compare the cost of these other lubes here to what you can make this for with a reusable bottle, this is cheap, this is cheap, it goes a long ways. I'll easily get 3 bottles of this out of 1 bottle of this. It works really good. Every time you go to use it, just give it a quick shake, spray it on your cases. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so we'll just take our case lube, quick shake. Don't need a lot. Let's put this in the press and see what she does. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Love it. This is like butter. So there you have it. Homemade case lube. Fresh cases. Works great. I like this stuff. There are even dye manufacturers out there that actually recommend using it. And it's a whole lot more product for a whole lot less money, and it actually works better. At least that's my opinion. I will continue to use this until something better comes out, but until then, that's my go-to. Thanks for watching everybody, appreciate it, and I'm going to link these couple products down below, and if you use those links, they are affiliate links, so they do help support the channel, doesn't cost you an extra penny, and thanks for watching, we'll catch you next time.